Hi friend, welcome my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today my topic how to expect calculation of the dim image. Actually accept is the direction of the water flow of the channel. So start the ArcGIS 10.3 software, open the dim image. There are dim image. This is dim image and not a full image. Expect calculation. Particular place is the accept calculation. So particular portion mask by extract. Catalog to new shape file. Name this expect polygon. Use coordinate system. Input this image. There is a particular coordinate system and input here and OK. And there is the expect shape file. Start editing. OK. And there are slope calculation. There are expect of this image. Save it. Go to catalog. There are spatial analysis tool to extract by mask. Input this image and output and OK. This is extract by mask run. And complete this extract by mask. So there is the dim image. And next step, there are accept calculation. At first, go to Arch catalog to spatial analysis tool to surface to accept. Input raster means this dim image. Input here and output name and OK. There are accept calculation running. Complete this accept calculation by this image. There are another way. There is this north, northeast, east, southeast, south. There is another portion of this direction of the water flow. Go to properties and change this class, this 5, and so there is 5 direction of this class. Low and high slope. And another way to there are another way, there calculation of the accept 3D analysis tool. So raster surface accept input dim image and output and OK. So complete this accept calculation ArcGIS 10.3 software. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.